Your head's so big. I'm so strong. I hope it's straight. I don't like my head cam. Whoa. Motion of the ocean, baby. Motion of the ocean. I'm so strong. Look, I'm leading us. I bet you're not even going. I know. Fucker. Ow. Wait, what happened here? What is going on there? Right there. What is that even? Plus, the timber on the canoe team. Go. Okay. Truth. Okay. You need to get on my level, on my same side. Go. Row. Hey, I saw a really big jellyfish. Where? Earlier when I was laying out.
Ooh, look, plastic bottle.
We don't have those in Texas.
Right.
This is pretty cool. I think everyone in this video is going to be able to see how strong I am.
It's just so ridiculous.
What?
Your paddling is just so ridiculous.
I'm just straight. See this bicep triceps? Straight bicep triceps. Bicep tricep.
Let's sit here. I bet you dive over here, like everywhere.
Like jump off these?
No, I mean like.
I would totally jump off these rocks. If there was a safe one, I would do it. Hey, you gotta take photos since you're back seat. Since you're in the back.
With what?
My camera. The people gotta know.
I'm not pulling your fucking phone.
The people gotta know, babe. The people gotta know. That was the whole point of putting it in the bag. We're not getting out. This guy's videotaping my dumbass cam on my head. It's gonna give me a forehead tan. What? I get side head tan.
Jellyfish.
Where?
Right there.
Where? I missed it.
Right there.
Oh, we do see it. Jellyfish. Shark bait. Wow.
I wonder if it's the same one from the other day.
Probably not. Seeing how we're not in the same freaking place. You just sound stupid. Alright, your time to row because I did all my work. Oh, beautiful. Oh, beautiful. I'm hoping. Hey, look. Cam, it's on the cam. Hey, we gotta get away from them. Steer right. We're gonna have a crash. Steer left. Babe, we can beat all these people. There's another one.
I need to get back to paddling, I'm sorry.
Look! What is that?
Piece of wood.
Oh.
Or plastic bottle.
We don't have those. It's on a boat. Okay with me, bro. I tried so hard, you don't even care.
Yeah, I know, I was doing fine, then you start up there.
Oh my god. This is like couples counseling. It's supposed to be relieving stress, but it just shows that we have deep-rooted problems. I thought we were in love. I thought he cared about me, but then he just got really violent. Hey, you're doing a great job, babe.
I'm stronger than you.
God, you can never just take a compliment. This is an asshole. Your ego's at your ass. I'm helping. Look, it's a cave. Do you think it's a real cave or a man-made cave? Mentally. Look, we're on the same team. Same team. And I'm spent. Doing a great job. I'm so proud of you. I didn't know you were so strong. Look, I'm helping. I'm helping. Oh my god. Alright, but why are you kicking me?
Like the second you start paddling, we're like...
Look, all I do is encourage you, and every single thing I do, you just dumb me. Why are we tilting? But why are we tilting? God, I didn't drink enough for this. Where? Ooh, it's moving. Or we're moving. It's stationary. Are you sure it's jellyfish? I want to see a... I'll row. I'm the strong one.
Strong man.
I was born for this. There's one bird. We're gonna go right over it. Look. It's on the right. It's on the right. It's on the right. See, stop moving. Stop moving. Look how massive it is. It's not. Oh my god, that's huge. Do you see it? Okay. Can we touch it? The paddle?
Dude, that's a big one.
Oh, huge. No, the other one was a lot bigger.
Well, that one was a different jellyfish.
No, they're obviously different jellyfish, but they're the same kind of jellyfish. Why are you yelling at me? But why is... I'm gonna leave you on this island. FNA, God.
You're like, paddling sucks.
You need to learn to not be an asshole.
I'm trying not to be. But like, I'm trying to like paddle with you.
This is supposed to be fun, and why are we so far away? Can we... Hey, tour guide, over here. This is why I should have been back. It would have been such a smooth ride. Babe, you're not paddling. You're not even trying. Babe, we're stuck here. Move us.
Fucking stop.
What do you want me to do?
Just fucking sit there.
I think the footage is gonna be all shaky. Rude. I'm gonna stick my hands in the water. No. Why? Why can't I touch the water? It's God's water, it's not your water.
Shark bait.
He's over there in the blue hat. We gotta go. Listen, I'm steering us in the right direction. It's a fucking canoe. I need you to go over there. Because that's him. We need to be in this direction. Listen, you row, I direct. Go fuck yourself. Listen. Oh God. Why is the boat shaking? This is the worst vacation of my life. I feel like at any point in time we're just gonna flip over. Babe, you're not trying.
Yeah, because we're just cruising. Look. We go too fast, we pass the guy.
That was a reflection. I thought it was a fish. I thought it was a reflection from this. I was like, there's a fish right here. What? What? No, this is all on camera. Your mother is gonna hear this. Your mother is gonna hear this.
It's just to save your life.
What? They don't even sting you. Those don't sting you.
Huh?
Those don't hurt you. Those are the nice jellyfish. They're the same.
You know what type of jellyfish they are?
Yeah, I do. I studied them.
No, you didn't.
When in the water. I looked at it and I said, hey, are you dangerous? It said no. I said, okay. Look, it's right there. But why do they hover at the top? Is it for like warmth?
I don't know.
They just like,
I don't know. Probably has something to do with feeding foods up top. They dangle the tentacles and then drift through the water.
we're so far away. Come on, we gotta play catch up. Oh, there's people behind us. We're okay. We're okay.
We should rush it.
I'm just,
Everybody's stopping over there.
hey, I'm just trying to be team player.
Team Slayer?
Team Slayer.
That slows us down. Like we're in a nice cruise.
I want to see the cave. I'm not gonna get to see it. It's a hole. Alright.
I want my own kayak.
Why? Why?
You're rude.
All I do is love you unconditionally. Babe! I'm like the woman of your dreams that you met in your nightmare. I'm not the devil. I'm just like the devil's like cousin, like mad cousin. Hey, look, we're fucking winning, babe. Good job. You're doing a great job. I'm so proud of you. Such a man. This is so romantic. Where? I feel like what's her face at the front of the boat? Hey, slow down, Sparky. Or slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. I mean, you can keep going. I'll slow us down. What if I touched a jellyfish?
Huh?
What if I touched one? I'm fragile. That's pretty extreme. I'm pretty sure I'm not the worst thing you've ever met. There's gotta be someone worse than me. Okay, see? You're so strong. Such a strong man. Do you want to put the GoPro on? It's gonna tan my forehead. What if I have a giant forehead tan? Babe, I'm just giving you Babe, these are just games. Just games. Come on. We are having so much fun. I felt this water. It's fantastic. Hey, keep. It's not always a competition.
Never do any work.
You told me not to. All these couples look so happy, cute, and miserable. Oh wait, I almost lost my buoy thing. Or, what is this called? Paddle? Hey, he's got a GoPro. Hey, we're GoPro buddies. It's like I'm literally standing right here. I'm not even allowed to paddle. Hey, here we go. I'm gonna kind of hit you. Don't take it personally.
You did not help at all.
Okay, I'll row. I'm gonna fucking kill you in your sleep tonight. I'm gonna smother you with a pillow and make it look like an accident. Throw you off the side. Fucking hate you. I can't. I'm so happy this is the end of our trip. So happy. Why are we going this way? It's supposed to be like quiet and scenic.
Yeah, you're allowed now. Just keep running. Okay, you're killing us.
It's your fault. Yeah, I do.
No, you don't.
Do you know how hard you are to come back over? lovely.
You keep saying that.
I'm just checking in, babe. Gotta check in relationships. See how the other person's doing. Making sure you're happy. What was that? Okay. Sometimes you just gotta live on the edge. Maybe the jellyfish should stop touching me. What do you think about that? What about that logic? Mother was old. What weighs more than a witch? Blue, no yellow. Babe, we're gonna hit the instructor. What is your name? What is your favorite color? What is the capital of Germany? GoPro on my head like yo. What about the show Andy Milonakis? That was the worst show I've created. What about the show Robot Chicken?
Huh?
Robot Chicken? That was my ex-roommate's favorite show. Oh god.
Do you do anything?
I'm gonna kill you. That's what I'm gonna do. You want me to do
That
something?
looks like 3 days straight.
We
Every
had-
time you paddle, you like nearly kill us.
Why do you say that? I swear you like.
Look, let's go. You can't even go around there.
Oh my god. Maybe I'm not the woman you want. I can't be this woman you want me to be. Okay? Okay?